Today we're going to talk about vowels. Vowels bụ ụda ume n'asụsụ Igbo. Vowels, ụda ume n'asụsụ Igbo. Vowels in Igbo language are 8 in number, unlike the English vowels that are 6 in number. In Igbo, we have 8 vowels. Ụdaume asatọ ka anyị nwere n'asụsụ Igbo. Ụdaume asatọ ka anyị nwere n'asụsụ Igbo. Today we're going to learn all of that. Learn Igbo language with Ada Igbo. It's going to be a very fun experience learning Igbo. And I promise you will learn. Please, if you have any concern regarding Igbo language in any area, please use the comment section, draw my attention, and I will answer you. My aim here is to make you learn Igbo language. Remember, I am your Igbo teacher, onye nkuzi Igbo. Igbo teacher, onye nkuzi Igbo. You're welcome back again. No, you are welcome. No. I hope you're learning Igbo language. Please ask me a question. Do not forget to shy away. Just ask question and I'll answer you correctly. Okay? All right. Today we're going to talk about Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels. Na asụsụ Igbo, anyị na-akpọ ya ụda ume. Ụda ume n'asụsụ Igbo dị asatọ. Ụda ume n'asụsụ Igbo dị asatọ. We have 8 vowels in Igbo alphabet. Okay, the first one is A. A. Okay, A. Like aka means hand. A. Aka means hand. Okay? E. E. Ede means cocoyam in Igbo language. E. Ede means cocoyam. Then the third vowel is I. I. Isi. Isi, that's head in English. I. Isi, that's head in English. Okay? All right, I hope you're learning. Do not forget to ask questions if you don't understand any of this. Okay, it's going to be a fun experience. Just keep learning, and I assure you, in a short while, you'll be fluent in Igbo language. All right, the next is I. 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 Ewa. I. Ewa means drum in English. I. Ewa means drum in English. Okay, the next is O. 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 Oku. O. Oku. That is talking. Talking in English. Okay, then the next is O. O. Oka. O. Oka. That's corn in English. O. Oka. Corn in English. The next is U. 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 All right. U. Uku. U. Uku. That's waist in English. U. Uku. Waist in English. I hope you're catching the cruise in learning Igbo vowels. Igbo vowels. Ụdaume. Igbo vowels means ụdaume n'asụsụ Igbo. Ụdaume Igbo vowels. Okay, the last is U. O. O. The previous one is u, uku. Then this one is o, uku. Uku means leg in English. O, uku, o, uku. Okay, just go over the video. You will understand the sounds. They sound differently, and they are also different. So these are the 8 vowels in Igbo language. Ụdaume n'asụsụ Igbo dị asatọ. Ụdaume n'asụsụ Igbo dị asatọ. I hope you've learned. And in case you're having difficulty in any of this, please ask me a question and I'll answer you. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching. For now, bye. Ka emesịa.